In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Klarna on Dhgate 2026. Step by step. First, open your browser and head to dhgate.com. Make sure you're on the official site before you proceed. For the smoothest checkout experience, confirm that you're already logged into your account. Being signed in ensures your cart, shipping address, and saved preferences load correctly and reduces hiccups later in the process. Next, click the cart icon at the top of the page to open your shopping cart. Take a moment to review everything in there. Check sizes, colors, and quantities, and confirm the store estimates for shipping and delivery times. If you see any items you don't want, remove them now. If something needs adjusting, update it before you move forward to payment. When you're satisfied, look for the option that says Get Coupon and Checkout and click it. This brings you to the checkout flow while also surfacing any eligible coupons. Apply any available discounts here so the final total reflects your savings before you pay. On the checkout page, locate the payment methods section. Choose Pay with a card. This is important because Klarna will be used as your card provider in this process. If you're not using a previously saved card, select the option to pay with a new card so you can add fresh details. Now enter your Klarna card number exactly as it appears in your Klarna app or account. This may be a virtual one-time card or a Klarna branded card, depending on your region and account. Make sure the card is active and the purchase amount is within your Klarna spending limit to avoid declines. Then enter the card's expiry date. If prompted, also provide the security code and the billing address associated with your Klarna card. The billing address should match what Klarna has on file. Mismatches are a common reason payments fail. After you've filled in the details, click Apply. This confirms your card information and attaches it to the order. If the form highlights any fields, correct them and click Apply again. Keep the Klarna app handy in case you need to approve the transaction or complete an identity check. A few quick tips before you wrap up. Double check currency and shipping costs so your final total lines up with the amount Klarna is expecting. Watch for any coupons expiring at checkout and never share your card details or account credentials with anyone. That's it. Your Klarna card is now set on Dhgate and you're ready to follow the on-screen prompts to finish your purchase. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.